नमस्ते, मेरा नाम स्नेहा मिश्रा है और आज मैं मेरे चैनल पे फर्स्ट मेरी क्लास में सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा जाने वाला डाउट लेकर के आई हूँ। जब भी मैं मेरे बच्चों को बोलती हूँ कि प्लीज़ राइट कमल या खरगोश या कोई सिमिलर वर्ड जो उनको सुनने में एक जैसा लगता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल का ख, गा घा, चा छा, सो दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्टी। दे से मैम we have to write first ka or the second ka. So first I have to make them clear there is nothing called first ka or second ka. There is either only ka or kha. So what is my technique to teach you in the classroom so they can remember this? So I ask them, okay, keep your palm in front of this, your mouth. So I'll ask them, say ka, now say kha, ka, kha, cha, cha. So when they are saying ka, the air will not touch their palm. But when they'll say ka, they can feel the air. Then I tell them, now see, when you're writing ka, you will write K-A. But when writing ka, you will write K-H-A. Right? So wherever you find a letter H, you find it is a ka. Okay, means the second and the fourth letter of the line. Okay, because see here I cannot teach them what is called the Alp Pran, Mahapran. They are going to get really confused. So what I will try to teach you in my channel, similarly how I teach my students in the classroom in a very simple way. And okay, now see, so basically they find doubt in these letters, जिसको हम हिंदी में तो अल्प प्राण और महाप्राण बोलते हैं, बट वी कांट टीच द सेम थिंग इन द क्लासरूम. सो हियर व्हेन दिस कम्स हियर खा and ka, so how I teach them, I ask them, look here, when you are writing a k, you will say ka. Okay, so it's a just ka. Okay, but when you are writing kha, you can see here h is there, so it means it is a ka, the word which come with the air when you put your palm in front of your mouth. Now similarly for ga, gha and all, but we say it basically alp pran and the mahapran. Okay, so this is the technique my students how they remember, and let's see whatever I tell you right now, so do you remember or not. So I have a one task related to this, which if you know and if you understood my simple and easy method how I use in my class, please give me answer of this. Here you can say write Hindi words of these words, okay, given like room. Now you will see room, we say it in kamra, right? So you can say kamra, so there is no air on palm when you will say ka kamra. Okay, so you should know, you know the room means kamra. Okay, so you will say the kamra, and if you don't find air on your palm, it means you have to use